Hi, today, building a website has become easier than ever. A few sentences are enough. And AI already generates the structure, the design, the copy. But here's the paradox. Despite all this speed, most websites still feel superficial, templated, and without character. And the problem isn't the tool, the problem is the thinking behind it. This course is not about buttons inside a builder. It's not about how to click generate. It's a course about control, about understanding the logic of an AI website builder so it works for you instead of randomly shaping the result. We won't learn how to ask AI to make it beautiful. We will learn how to define tasks in a way that allows the system to correctly classify your project before generation even begins. You will go through the entire journey, from idea to a published website. First, you'll understand which types of websites AI creates well and where its limits are. Then you'll learn how to structure input so the architecture appears logical rather than accidental. After that, you'll generate a website in Hostinger, refine it, align tone, design, and structure, test the mobile version, optimize SEO, and prepare it for launch. And this won't be a demo, it will be a real live website. We are honest about this. AI does not do everything for you, it accelerates the start. But quality depends on clarity of thinking. A vague idea produces a vague website. Clear logic produces a structure that actually works. This course is for those who don't want to become programmers but want to understand what happens inside an AI builder. For entrepreneurs, marketers, experts, creators. For anyone who wants to build a website quickly but consciously. After this course, you will stop endlessly regenerating versions. You will start directing the process. And AI will stop feeling like magic and become a tool. Join us and start building consciously today.